Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile banner on Twitch in a few easy steps. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. And I promise you there's nothing complicated, and actually don't waste your time anymore. Let me show you how. So here is how. When you're on your Twitch, just click on your profile picture here on the right top corner next to get bits, and now click on settings here. And as you can see from here, you can actually update your profile picture, and also you can change your profile banner, update your username, display name, and others. But if you want to actually change the profile banner or to upload one, just click on update here and just click again here on this plus, and it appears this windows that allows you to choose random picture from your PC. So let's say we want to add this picture. Yeah, this is cool one. And wait a few seconds, and as you can see, when we go on our channel, our profile banner has been updated. Yeah, that's it. That was how to change your profile picture in a few easy steps. So if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can, of course. And yep, see you next video. Bye.